Good morning, YouTube. Hey guys, today we are going to be working with a fishing rod rack by Plusinno. This is going to be a floor-mounted fishing rod rack. As you know, I fish a lot. I've got a ton of rods, old rods, new rods, long rods, short rods. I've got a ton of rods, and I still have them spaced, kind of stuck up in a corner, and so they get tangled, everything else. So what we're gonna do today is get this thing put together. It's too hot out here to fish. It's almost 100 degrees already, and it's like 9:30, and we got you can't tell right here, but the lake is white capping. There's about a 18-mile-an-hour wind today coming straight up the lake. There's really nowhere to hide, nowhere to fish, so we are out. But next week we'll be getting into some more fishing because I'm going to Hot Springs, Arkansas, and we'll be doing some crappie fishing, some dock shooting on Lake Hamilton with Paul Catches Them All. So it's gonna be a good time. But anyway, right now we're gonna get this rod holder put together. So it holds 18 rods, and it does not take much space up at all. So we're gonna get this put together. I'm gonna show you guys how it works, how easy it is to put together. Throw some rods on there and let you take a look at it, see if you're interested. If you are, I'll say it again at the end, but there's detailed information at the bottom on how you can order that rod holder. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get her put together. Okay, so I've had to lock myself in here. We've got a construction crew out here, not construction, a lawn mowing crew out here mowing, but kind of give you an idea of what this is. So you got two bases. It comes with two bases, rod rack. You're gonna have two for the top as well. You'll have two vertical sides and one for the bottom that has rod holders in there as well. So based on, I'm just gonna go through the instructions, kind of put it together that way. The first thing we're gonna do is take this top piece. You notice there's a groove on the inside that's gonna go toward the inside. We'll go ahead and put that in this one. Do the same thing with that one. Put it on the inside, and I'll show you why that's very key here in a second to get those out there. Now, next thing it shows we're going to do is take these two pieces and push them. They just basically snap in. If I can get it, hold on. There we go. Snap in on one. Trying to get back in the picture here. Snap in on the second one. So we got those two snapped in. Come over here and do the same thing to this one. Snap it in. A little tap, make sure they're even. Snap them in. So now we have this. All right. So next thing you do, this is where that piece I was talking about, these ridges here come in handy. So you'll notice I have a little tightener. What you want to do is loosen it a tad bit. Go ahead and pull these off at the top. Probably gonna put them back in a minute. And we're gonna slide from the top. Hold on, let me show you on the camera. So notice there is a groove right up here at the top. What we're gonna do is slide this, I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but slide that bolt right there down this. So let me put the camera down and get her done. Let's go ahead and angle it up a little bit so we can get it all in the picture. Focus. There we go. Goes on in, and you just stick it wherever you want to right now. Kind of tighten it down a tad bit. Grab the other one, we'll do the same thing. Go ahead and loosen it. All right. Next thing you do, we'll put these in. You'll notice there's a little snap hook, a little snap right there. So basically just slide it in, push down. There it goes, and it clicked in. Do the same thing on this side. We'll push all these over. And I have, one thing I didn't do is make sure these pieces here are facing upwards when you put them in the little line here. So let's go back. Set it right about there. I'll even it up here in a minute. All right. There we go. Flip it around. Oop. Snap it in. Push those over. Snap it and push it in. There we go. So now all those are set. I'll bring it up to speed for you guys here in a second. Let's go ahead and raise this thing up to the top. This is probably where I'm gonna want it anyway. Get it evened up. Woo, I'm warm. All right, and then take these caps. So these caps, as you see, have a little indentation here. That's gonna go in this slide right here. So we will just have to do this with two hands. Now I got it with one. Put those caps back in. Again, there's the tab. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but it can be done, obviously. There we go. And so this is what you have. So let's put some rods in here. Dude, literally, guys, it literally took me 5 minutes to get this done. Instructions were easy. You can do it without the instructions if you want to, because it's just everything fits in one spot. But great little product. Thank you so much for sending that to me. If you're interested in this rod holder, please look at the detailed information below. I've got all the information where you can order it. Everything below. It's a great tool, especially for your shop. Get 2 or 3 of those. You don't have to put wood up if like you're in a storage building like this. I don't have to put that sheet of wood that I did last time. I don't have to put that out there. I just simply put this together, have a